guys, and welcome back to a new video. Today I have with me the new Jeep Compass plug-in hybrid, and I will do a test drive for you. If you're new here, subscribe to my channel if you want to see the newest videos on the market and also the newest car. But today let's make the test drive with it, and I will give you my impression while we are driving. So let's do it, guys. Alright guys, so here is the key. Here is the new Jeep Compass plug-in hybrid S version, and I will test drive it for you guys. I will give you my impression. Also, the car comes with the keyless entrance, by the way, guys. Also, yeah, you can leave the car right, the key right there. By the way, guys, if you want to see the full review, interior, exterior, with the new Jeep Compass, check it out on my channel. I have a full review, guys. I will show you the interior, the space, all the dates, the price and all that stuff. Here you can see the price of the car, 46,900 francs, around the same in dollar, maybe 45,000 euro, but that only if you come at Gallicar, because they have a great discount. Check them out on the internet, carplanet.ch. There you find the price and all the cars. Also, the car have 240 horsepower. It has an electric motor in the back, petrol engine in the front, 1.3 liter 4-cylinder, and yeah, it's a great car. Four-wheel drive, of course, but all that information check out on my channel in the other videos. Now the car comes with this new gorgeous display right there in the front, and also you can customize the way you want it. It's super awesome. Also, it has this navigation here. Also, you can see the navigation on the screen if you want. There actually it gives you some tips, but all about that from here. Check it out on my channel. There you will find all the information about the car. Great visibility, but for now also the car comes with a reverse camera, pretty big. Yeah, now in this video it's all about test driving the car. It's not about how the car look, the material quality. It's only about the driving, and I want to give you my impression. I want to give you the feeling of how is the drive right now. You can drive in only electric mode. If I press this button, the car will drive until 43 kilometers only in electric mode. Then bear right. And this is awesome that you are able to drive only in the electric mode 43 kilometers. And after that, towards Bern, then after that you can drive in hybrid mode or petrol mode, for example. Also, let's go here. It's so silent when you're driving when you are driving in electric mode. The car is super silent. After 100 meters, bear right, A6, E27. And right now when you press the brake, keep left. The car will recuperate the energy in the battery. You can see there on the right side, it's show you when it's recuperate the energy. Also, I want to take this off. I don't know how can we do that. Go back, maybe here. Anyway, super silent. And also we have soft material everywhere, guys. All about this information. Also, you can choose different driving modes, sport. You can choose sport, mud, snow, and you can go off-road with the car without any problem. 240 horsepower. This car can do 0 to 100 kilometers in only 7.3 seconds. It's amazing. Also, the steering wheel, it's super soft and it's super smooth and easy. The handling feels great. The visibility on the windows, in the mirrors, it is fantastic. I love how great you can see in the mirrors. You have a great visibility on the side as well. And what can I say, it feels just super nice. Until now the handlings are great, and I like the suspension.
Meters, go round the roundabout, 4th exit,
I want to take some bumps.
Benchstrasse.
The suspension are also pretty good. I like them. I like how soft the car is driving. It feels really smooth.
Go round the roundabout, 4th
quite
exit.
Impressive. It's quite impressive how smooth is the car here on the roundabout. Oh my god, I like the steering wheel. I like the steering wheel. It feels gorgeous. It feels great when you take the curves. Also check out my brother there. A compass on the other side. Anyway, it feels magic. I like the way it feels driving this car. It's so smooth. That's a super plus for the car, that it's super smooth. You don't even feel that it's driving. And also, of course, we can go in other different driving modes like hybrid, like e-save. You can save the energy for later if you want to save the energy in the battery for later.
Towards Bern,
you can do that.
Keep left.
Actually, I don't know how I can take out this navigation, but anyway, doesn't matter. It's a little bit annoying.
Turn left, then keep left.
Super smooth, guys. Really smooth. Also, yeah, what can I say, you have different function here. Radio, media, you can connect your Android, Apple CarPlay and all that stuff without any problem here. It's a great multimedia system. It has a little bit of lag, but yeah, it doesn't matter. Once you're set the navigation, it's working pretty good. I like the big mirrors on the side, big windows, good visibility also in the back. We have leather seats from Jeep in this S version. The steering wheel, it's leather, it's kind of fat, and you have a great grip. You can adjust it manually from here, the position the way you want it. And yeah, what can I say, also we have light, you have here some mirrors, pretty nice. 240 horsepower, it's super powerful. If we go now in hybrid mode, right now I changed to hybrid mode, and the car will drive in hybrid mode. We have to stay here to this traffic signs. I like also the tall position, the tall driving position. Here's the glow box. It's pretty big glow box. Also, by the way, this car have a 11.4 kilowatt hour battery. You can charge the battery at home in 4 hours at the normal socket. You can charge it at a fast charging station in 1 hour and a half. It's a full battery. Right now you can see on the cockpit there, it shows you in the corner 87% battery. I still left 42 kilometers. I can drive only in electric mode. Range together 450 kilometer range. Petrol tank with the battery together, and also it has a great consumption. Also you can customize the way you want it, the cockpit. That's a good thing. And yeah, also you have electric adjustable seats. You can adjust the seats the way you want it. You have plenty of position here, so you can adjust the seats the way you want it. That's again something pretty cool. Okay, the engine is on right now. It's also very silent. The engine, it's mega silent. That's something that I like it. Also, you have a great isolation from outside. You cannot hear so much noise from the exterior. That's also good. I like very much, I think my favorite thing on this car is the steering wheel. It's super soft and nice. I like it very much.
After 300 meters, go round the roundabout, third exit, 112 Benchstrasse.
Also, right now you can see the lights in the night. The interior ambient light, it's a white, a nice white, and I like this. I like this white. It feels nice to the eyes.
Go round the roundabout, third exit.
It helps you to see much better. You can see even here on the doors, on the steering wheel, and down here you can see those lights look pretty nice in the night. Accelerate. Oh, acceleration, it's also great. Again here a little bit in the night. Also the lights are on the automatic right now. Of course the car comes with the cruise control. You can set the cruise control. It has the lane assist. You can set the cruise control, for example, to the speed limit or to whatever speed you want. So it's pretty awesome. Anyway,
After 400 meters, bear right, A6, E27, towards Zurich. Then keep left.
pretty impressive. I like the handlings. It stays so good on the road, guys. I mean, it stays so good. You can see you take the curves. The brakes are awesome. It's magical on the curves. It's super magical. And also the bumps. It takes the bumps so nice, so smooth, so cool. I love it. I love how soft it is. Yeah, let me park it. The car comes also with a reverse camera. And I will park it right here in the same space, same spot. Actually, it's a big car.
Then at the end of the road, turn left.
It's a big car that you can drive it really easy. It's easy to park, easy to drive. It's an amazing car, to be honest. Really amazing car. I really like it. I'm quite impressed with the steering wheel. This is the steering wheel. It's awesome, guys. I like also the navigation. You have a great visibility to the cockpit. Also it feels nice. The bumps feel pretty nice, and I think they did a great job with the car. Driving in electric mode is so silent, so nice. I'm really happy that more and more cars come on the market with these amazing engine, electric engines or hybrid or whatever they are. Also the CO2 is much better, 53 grams CO2, and the price of the car, it's quite awesome for what it offers. If you want to see more about the car, check out the full review about the car. I just made a short review, short drive test for you, just to give you my impression and to tell you what is the feeling of driving the car. And yeah, I'm quite impressed. It feels really good. It feels more easy than I was expect. The steering wheel, it's more softer. The suspension are pretty good. The handling, it's great. The visibility, it's perfect, and the quality overall, it's quite good. And also this system, it's worked pretty fine. I mean, the petrol engine with the electric engine, when you accelerate, when it goes in, when it kicks in the petrol engine, and then it's go on the electric engine, this change, you know, from electric to petrol, it's made very smooth, and I think they did a great job with that. And yeah, it's just good. It's good enough, like the other hybrid cars. So that was my test drive with the new Jeep Compass plug-in hybrid S. I hope you enjoy it. Check out on my channel the full review if you want to see interior, exterior, price and all that details and space. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, guys. That will mean a lot for me. Like it, share it, and thank you very much for watching again, and see you soon in the next one. Bye, guys.